にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today vocabulary video number 42. Let's learn two expressions to say before drinking beverage in the party or with friends. In your language, you may say cheers or toast, zum wohl, or prost, jin jin. In Japanese, kanpai, kanpai, and the pronunciation is kan. This is the N sound, kan. And after, pai. Not kam with M, kanpai, but kan, kan N, and kanpai, kanpai. Just adding shimasu, then this is a verb, kanpai shimasu, to make a toast. Then, let's make a toast. Kanpai shimashou. Kanpai shimashou. This video is not grammar video, but in the end of this video, there will be a quiz. We say kanpai, cheers in the celebrations. Celebrations, we say oiwai, oiwai. Oiwai, this is the noun. Oiwai, celebration. And if I want to make it in a verb, then without o, because this o is the respect. On iwai, and I add mas. Iwaimasu. Iwaimasu group 1. It means to celebrate. I can conjugate this verb iwaimasu group 1 like iwaimasu, iwau, iwatte, iwatta, iwawanai. We can say kanpai in the wedding ceremony. Kekkon-shiki. This part, kekkon, this is the noun, marriage. And shiki, this is ceremony. So kekkon-shiki, wedding ceremony. And the verb, kekkon, with this, kekkon shimasu, to get married. Kekkon shimasu. Now let's see the meanings of these kanjis. The first kanji, this one, kan, for example, kanso, this is a dryness. And kan, it means dry. For example, kawakashimasu, I make something dry. Or youfuku ga kawakimasu, the clothes get dry. And the second kanji, this one, here we pronounce pai, but we can also pronounce pai by sakazuki. And sakazuki, it means sake cup. Sake is Japanese alcoholic drinks beverage. Sake cup. So it is like a cup for drinking some kind of alcoholic drinks. So both together, kanpai, it means to empty cups, to empty your sake. So the original meaning, you would have to drink it all after saying kanpai, and you must empty your glass. But anyway, don't worry, you don't have to do it. In Japanese etiquette, when you say kanpai, you see, this is lower than this one. This person is like your boss. You must respect this person. So your glass is lower. You don't have to do like this. You shouldn't do it. So a little bit lower than your, for example, someone that you must show your respect. Kanpai! This pai is also the counter verse. Ippai, nihai, sanbai, yonhai, gohai, roppai, nanahai, happai, kyuhai, juppai. Do you know what I'm counting saying ippai, nihai, sanbai? Well, this is the beverage, but beverage in the glass. Because if this is the bottle of beer or bottle of wine, then we say ippon, nihon, sanbon, yonhon, gohon, like this. When we say ippai, nihai, sanbai, this beverage is in the cup or in the glass. Then ippai, nihai, sanbai, like this. Now there's another word to make a toast. KENPAI. Also N sound. Ken, N, and pai. KENPAI. Kanpai. KENPAI. This pai is the same kanji. It means sake cup. kan to dry, and ken to dedicate. We make a toast saying KENPAI for the special person who has just passed away. We say KENPAI at the funeral, ososhiki, funeral, ceremony and the funeral, ososhiki, bereaved family or surviving family members, izoku, kazoku, this is family, but izoku, this is bereaved family. And at the funeral, we drink sake or other alcoholic drinks with izoku. Why do we drink sake or any other alcoholic drinks, alcoholic beverage at the funeral? Because in Japan, sake or alcoholic beverage is considered as something holy. Shinsei, shinsei, this is holy or sacred. So, shinsei na, this is na adjective. Shinsei na nomimono, sacred beverage. This na adjective, shinsei na or shinsei, this part, shin, this kanji is just the same as this one. Here we pronounce kami. Kami-sama, the God. Kami-sama, so special, the God. So shinsei, shinsei. So this is why the shinsei, this is sacred. So from long time ago in Japan, sake was always taken in the ritual or some sacred ceremonies. The word ritual or ceremony, gishiki, gishiki. So 神聖な儀式, sacred ritual, sacred ceremony. So お葬式, funeral, is one of the most sacred ceremonies or sacred ritual. So this is why we take sake at the funeral. Both are the toast, but very different meaning. Kanpai is something so happy. On the other hand, when we say KENPAI, to make a toast, and this is to show our respect for the person who is just dead or for the bereaved family. The word respect, kei, kei. This kei, there's a word, keigo. This is respectful word, keigo. The same kanji, kei, respect, and i, kei. This i, it means will, our will. So the will of the respect, respect, will, kei. So we translate this kei as respect, and 表します to express, to show our respect. 敬意を表します. This verb, to show, this is one, the group one. 表します、表す、表して、表した、表さない. Saying KENPAI, we can also show our feeling of gratitude. The gratitude for being my friend or my loved one, or simply for having been living with me. Feeling of gratitude. 感謝の気持ち。感謝 gratitude. 気持ち feelings. So 感謝の気持ち the feelings of gratitude. To show the feeling of the gratitude. 感謝の気持ちを表します。To make a toast, 乾杯 or KENPAI are totally different meaning, and in the different occasions, and also the way how to say KENPAI is different. When we say KENPAI, the glass is collocated just in front of your chest. Chest, we say 胸, so in front of your chest. Then here, and we don't choke with other persons. We don't make tune. Only here, and by myself, I say KENPAI. When we say KANPAI, maybe with loud voice and so happily KANPAI and choking the glasses. But KENPAI, with a quiet and silent voice, or not silent, but quiet and so peaceful voice, 静かな声。静か, this is not adjective. It means quiet and calm, 静か. And 声, this is voice. So 静かな声で、静かな声, quiet and peaceful voice. We can also translate 静かな声 as a soft voice. I think you understand the differences between KANPAI and KENPAI. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 Let's make a toast. 2番目 KANPAI. It's said cheers in English. 3番目最後です。When they drink alcoholic beverage or when they drink sake, Japanese people say KENPAI with a soft voice. I made this video to show my respect and gratitude to my little cat Sapphire. She passed away just in the middle of karate seminar as I was an interpreter. Then Naka sensei, Maestro Naka, said to me, KENPAI instead of KANPAI. I would never make this video if it didn't happen to me. So now you know the difference between KANPAI and KENPAI. いかがでしたか？今日は日本でお酒を飲むときに言う乾杯、そしてもう一つの方法、献杯を勉強しました。多分乾杯はとても有名な言葉ですから、もう皆さんも知っていたと思います。献杯、こちらはどうでしたか？ご存知でしたか？これは亡くなってしまった方やご遺族のために敬意を表したり、感謝の気持ちを表すときに使うお酒を飲む前に言う言葉です。献杯。ちょうどついこの間、空手セミナーがあったんです。そして中先生の通訳をさせていただいている、本当にそのセミナーの間に、私の愛猫のサファイアちゃんが18歳で亡くなってしまいました。その時に中先生が私に献杯と言ってくれたのがきっかけで、このビデオを作ったんです。多分こちらの言葉、献杯は知らなかった方も多いと思いますから、これで日本の文化として覚えられましたよね。誰にでもとても大切だった人、ご家族、お友達、またはペット、本当に大好きだった人たちが亡くなってしまった経験があると思います。本当に辛くて悲しいんですが、でも今までの自分の人生をこれだけのたくさんの思い出とか本当に楽しかったいろいろなことがあったなと思い出すと感謝の気持ちでいっぱいですよね。もしかしたら今このビデオを見てくださっているあなたも私と同じ立場にいるのかもしれません。こんなに素敵な思い出をたくさんくれて、そして今までの自分の人生をこんなに豊かにしてくれた人にいつまでも感謝して、そしてこれからも前に向かって進んでいきましょう。これからもこのように頑張っていきますから、ぜひ応援してくださいね。じゃあまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。またね。